Hello, greetings of the day. Today, we are diving into the world of intellectual property rights within the fashion industry with a spotlight on one of India's most celebrated designers, Sabyasachi Mukherjee. From trademark protection to design and copyright safeguards, Sabyasachi has successfully leveraged IPR to protect his brand's legacy and artistic expressions. Sabyasachi Mukherjee is a household name in Indian fashion, known for his luxury designs that blend traditional Indian craftsmanship with contemporary sensibilities. His creations span couture, bridal wear, accessories, and jewelry, each price meticulously crafted to tell a story of heritage and artistry. Sabyasachi, as a designer who deeply values originality, recognizes the importance of intellectual property rights. With rising counterfeit issues in the fashion industry, IPR helps him protect his brand's identity, design, authenticity, and unique elements. Let's explore how Sabyasachi applies IPR protections. Trademark protection. Trademarks are essential in distinguishing a brand. For Sabyasachi, several key trademarks are registered to ensure his brand's unmistakable identity. One of Sabyasachi's most recognizable trademarks is the Sabyasachi Calcutta logo, featuring the word mark in serif font for elegance, a majestic tiger insignia symbolizing strength and cultural heritage. The logo also extends protection to imagery of other big cats, reinforcing a powerful association with the brand. The consistent use of the logo has made it synonymous with luxury, heritage, and exclusivity. The mark consists of an image of a tiger situated above the word Sabyasachi. The word Calcutta is situated beneath the word Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi also protects the S. Sabyasachi mark, covering an expansive range of fashion and accessory items beyond clothing. This trademark extends to specific elements such as lace and embroidery, often seen in intricate garment detailing, ribbons and braid used in high-end embellishments, hooks and eyes and pins and needles, essential components in bespoke tailoring, and artificial flowers frequently incorporated in couture designs for a unique aesthetic. Chota Sabya. In addition to the main trademarks, the brand also uses Chota Sabya, a playful yet distinctive mark for children's wear. It reflects the same quality and design philosophy as the adult collection, extending the brand's reach to a younger demographic. In conclusion, Sabyasachi's trademarks go beyond just a logo. They embody the brand's philosophy, protecting not only its identity but also the finer details. These trademarks ensure that Sabyasachi remains an emblem of originality and exclusivity in the global fashion industry. Thank you.
Moving forward, we will explore how copyright law applies to the fashion industry using the works of Sabyasachi Mukherjee as a case study. From intricate lehengas to luxurious accessories, Sabyasachi's creations are safeguarded under copyright law to protect their artistic uniqueness. We'll discuss 5 key products and why design protection was not chosen for these products. Further, a landmark copyright infringement case involving the Rashida lehenga and the new botanical lehenga. Copyright protects original artistic works, including designs, patterns, and motifs, from unauthorized duplication. Unlike design protection, which covers the appearance of items intended for mass production, copyright focuses on artistry, creativity, and cultural expression. In fashion, this is crucial for safeguarding exclusive handcrafted creations. The 5 copyright protected products of Sabyasachi are the Rashida lehenga with its intricate embroidery and storytelling through motifs, the new botanical lehenga inspired by Mughal art featuring hand-painted floral patterns, the Howrah bag showcasing detailed embroidery and traditional Indian designs, the Sundarban choker inspired by Bengal's flora and fauna with a focus on intricate craftsmanship, the Tahitian pearl, a jewelry piece blending rare materials with artistic elegance. Each product is bespoke, handcrafted, and not industrially reproducible, disqualifying them from design protection, which focuses on standardized, mass producible designs. Industrially reproducible essentially means that a design can be produced on a large scale using standardized processes, typically involving machinery or manufacturing techniques. However, Sabyasachi's creations are handcrafted and rooted in artistry, not standardized for mass production. Hence, they fall under copyright protection, which safeguards their creative and cultural uniqueness rather than industrial designs. Moving forward, in 2023, Sabyasachi faced a copyright infringement case when another designer replicated the embroidery of the Rushida lehenga and the floral motifs of the new botanical lehenga. The court ruled in favor of Sabyasachi, recognizing that these creations are artistic works under copyright law. The judgment emphasized the uniqueness and cultural significance of these designs, affirming that unauthorized copying violated copyright. This case reinforced the importance of copyright in protecting exclusive designs in a competitive industry. In conclusion, copyright ensures that the creative brilliance of designers like Sabyasachi is protected, preserving their artistic integrity and cultural value. Through copyright, Sabyasachi not only safeguards his brand's originality but also sets a precedent for protecting creativity in the fashion industry. Thank you.
Moving forward with designs, the Designs Act 2000 defines a design under Section 2D of the Act. It is the foundation of IP protection for fashion designs. It provides exclusive rights to the owner of a registered design for a period of 10 years. To be eligible for registration, a design must be new or original and have an industrial application. The Act protects the overall appearance of a product, including its shape, configuration, pattern, and ornamentation, ensuring the visual appeal of fashion items is protected legally. Sabyasachi Mukherjee, who uses unusual fabrics, patchwork with embellishments in vibrant colors, textures, detailing, and fusion of styles in his designs, gets them filed and protected in order to avoid the unauthorized use of his designs. The purpose of registration of a design is to ensure that the creator exercises sole monopolistic power over the design. Registering a design also ensures that there is no undesired and unwanted exploitation of the idea, concept, and the product. Thus, registration becomes imperative to safeguard the elegance and the appealing factor of a product. However, the designer cannot have dual protection, that is, it cannot be protected under the Copyright Act as well as the Design Act. An affidavit is required stating that the design is not enjoying protection under any other act, which becomes a challenging decision to be made by the designers. Sabyasachi Mukherjee has also collaborated with many other brands including jewelry, ornaments, garments, and makeup, which includes Estee Lauder, H&M, Starbucks, and Christian Louboutin. One remarkable collection was with Christian Louboutin that began in 2015, where Christian Louboutin and Sabyasachi Mukherjee collaborated on limited exclusive edition footwear for both men and women. However, there are many other legal issues also, which include counterfeiting and producing copies of the product. Inspiration, homage, and dedication are a few words that designers use shamelessly while copying, infringing, and plagiarizing others' design and fashion works. Earlier, clothing was necessity and hence seen in a utilitarian aspect. However, changing times, fashion has grown from utilitarian to artistic creations. With ever increasing fashion industry, there are huge cries amongst the designer whose works are blatantly being ripped off. Every Indian on the street has been witness to knockouts and counterfeits of Sabyasachi's lehengas and Manish Malhotra's Fashion Week designer outfits. The reason being weak IP laws pertaining to fashion industries. The issue of copyright protection in the fashion industry has revived again due to internet sensation Diet Sabya. Diet Sabya is an anonymous Instagram page of Desi version of Diet Prada. The page calls out plagiarized fashion design works by comparing it on side-to-side basis. It has garnered attention of many in a short span of time, with various celebrities appreciating the cause and various others fuming it. Sabyasachi Mukherjee, who is renowned for his elaborate designs and cultural allusions, sparked the controversy when he observed startling parallels between his creations with the new H&M line. Due to the collection's motifs and embroidery styles bearing a striking resemblance to Sabyasachi's well-known designs, the designer accused H&M of copying his work in public. The aforementioned charge generated with much discourse with the fashion sector, highlighting the intricacies involved in safeguarding fashion designers'